Hey guys, this is Garima from Idle Doodle once again. So I thought of starting a new series which will be Stationery Showdown, in which I will be comparing Indian brands with international statement brands of stationery which we use. So in this video, we are going to be comparing Staedtler pigment liners with Brustro pigment liners. So if you are a beginner, definitely watch the review video that which one you should invest, because this one is totally half the price of this one in India. So let's start with the Staedtler pigment liners. Now, Staedtler pigment liners says that they are made in Germany and the MRP of this is 900 rupees for a set of 6 pieces, and you get in this pack 6 pigment liners in the nibs. Let me show you. In the nibs, as you can see, in 6 different nibs. Now it says that it is waterproof on paper, light fast, and can be left uncapped for 18 hours without drying up. So since I have started doodling, I have been using Staedtler pigment liners for about like 2 to 3 years, and I swear by this product. So let us see that can Brustro pigment liners beat Staedtler or not? Now, Brustro pigment liners says that they are technical drawing pens with archival and waterproof ink, pigmented ink and nib from Japan and made in Europe. This retails for about rupees 435 and comes in this pack with 6 nibs, same as Staedtler pigment liners. So now let us hop onto the video and review both, that as a beginner which one you should buy. Now I will be comparing in tabular form both of the pigment liners on various parameters. First being nib sizes, both of them come with 6 nib sizes ranging from 0.05 to 0.8, but definitely note that Brustro 0.8 nib was much thicker than Staedtler 0.8 nib, which I really liked in Brustro. Coming on to the second parameter, smoothness. I don't know, Staedtler pens are maybe old, they might have dried a bit, and since Brustro are new, they are fresh, but Brustro ones were smoother than Staedtler. That is why I would rate Staedtler 3 out of 5 and Brustro 4 out of 5. Thirdly, let us do the bleed test. Now I am doing bleed test with 0.8 nib of both of them. Both did not bleed through the paper, as you can see. Now the paper of this journal is 80 GSM, which is very thin to be honest, so that is a really good thing. This is a normal paper which you get in any notebook or a bullet journal. Fourth test being my personal favorite, seeing that if it immediately smudges or not. Both of them smudged a bit, I don't know, you can't see it on camera maybe, but let me tell you that Brustro was less as compared to Steadtler. Fifthly, seeing that what is the result of smudge over highlighter for both who use pigment liners for bullet journaling, well, I must say that both aced this test and did not smudge at all, which was quite shocking to me. Now, I have used a mild liner highlighter for this test. Second last test would be definitely water test. I was so shocked to see the result of this test that Staedtler smudged a bit on water, but Brustro did not budge even a bit. Lastly, comparing the packaging and cost of both. Now, Steadtler comes in a really good pack and you don't lose your pens because of this sturdy packaging. So I rate it definitely 5 out of 5. Whereas Brustro comes in this flimsy packaging. While putting in pens, I had to remove the branding sticker because it was problematic for me to put in the pens. So I'm not happy with the packaging of Brustro. So I would rate 3 out of 5. In conclusion, I would say if you are a beginner, definitely go for Brustro. I am not the fan of Brustro packaging, but in half the price of Steadtler cost for about rupees 900. You are getting such an amazing product, and in future maybe you can buy both of them. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to this channel and comment down your suggestion for any other stationery showdown episode. Till then, take care everyone.